Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. What we have for this video, it is not just a Boxycharm box. No, this is way more than just a regular box. This one, I actually got it off of the Boxycharm pop-up sale, and they have previous boxes. They have different ones. So the one that I have here, it is the July mystery Fomo box. I think that's what it's called. So they have mystery boxes from the previous months. Some are just called mystery boxes, and then some are called mystery Fomo boxes, which I think is this one here. This is a July one. Which I think they just have products that were either really successful or they're trying to get rid of products that they didn't get rid of then. I don't know which one it is, but of course you tell me it's a mystery box and I'm going to buy it. This one here, I paid $21. I honestly did not read the description, so I have no idea if it's said to be worth a certain amount. I don't know how many products are in here. I did not read it at all. So I just like, oh, mystery box, yes, I'll take one, and then I bought it. So this one is the July mystery Fomo box. So I don't know, let's open it up and see what they gave us here. If I get too many repeat products, I might just turn this into a giveaway. So please check out the description down below, so you guys can see. I will put the information there if it's going to be a giveaway or not. So let's go in and see what we have in here. So okay, cool. So I did get a little pamphlet. It is the Au Naturel. I think that's how you pronounce it, with the product information in the back. So let's go in, and what is this here? Oh, it's just information, because we have this one here. It is from Elemis. It is a superfood vital veggie mask. This one is nourishing prebiotic green mask. So that is what we have there. And I also do have prices, so we will get to see what the total value of this box is. Then we have these here, which let me see. These are the I don't know how to pronounce this. They are from Luxy, and back here it says you have 3 brushes: the Luxy 250 large eye blending brush, the 246 precision crease brush, and the 510 foundation brush. So let me take these out of here so you guys can see. And you guys know I love brushes. I use them all the time, so I'm excited that I have some of these. Then up next, I have this one here. It is from KGD, I think, Kojendo. These are the cleansing spa water little towelettes. It says it contains natural herbal essences using Izumo natural spa water, and it is oil-free and mildly acidic. So that is the package from these towelettes. And let me see, they just says quick and easy skincare collection infused with thermal spring water and natural herbs in our spa blend water. Quickly and gently removes makeup, leaving nutrients to replenish and rejuvenate the skin. Removes waterproof makeup without leaving an oily residue on the skin. It is rinse-free and oil-free, and they are made with 100% cotton. Okay, so these are actually really, really good. They're going to come in handy because I am down to my last pack of makeup wipes. So I'm excited for that. And then, oh, I already see a repeat. So I did receive this one. I actually already have this eyeshadow palette. It is from Butter London, and I'm not gonna swatch it, but I will show you guys the colors that we have in here. Those are it there. And I thought that this was really, really pretty packaging. You know, the woody kind of look to it with the flowers up on the top. So this one is really, really pretty. Like I said, I did receive this one. when I'm assuming in my July box, because this is the July mystery Fomo box. So I already received one of these. So that's another item. And then the very last one here, it is from Ades or Adesi, New York, probably Ades, and it is the high definition liquid lipstick. So that is the outer packaging. So this is what this looks like here, and it says it's a high definition, what did it say? High definition liquid lipstick. So let's see. Ooh, it smells like cinnamon. It smells really good. So let me swatch this. Ooh, that's a pretty color. So it feels almost like a lip gloss. So I wonder if it's, yeah, I think this is going to be like a lip gloss kind of color with a lot of pigment. It's a really nice color, and it smells really, really good. It smells like cinnamon, so I wonder if it tastes like cinnamon. So that is the very last item from the box. Now, really quick, let me give you guys the retail prices for these items. The very first one here, it is from the LMS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. This one is $35. Then the Butter London Natural Goodness or Goddess? I think it's Goddess. Yeah, because this one, Goddess eyeshadow palette. This one is $32. Then we have the Luxie brush set. This set is $30. Then we have the Adesi high definition liquid lipstick. This one is $24. And the Kojen Do Spa Cleansing Water Cloths. These are $17. And what is the total? This is, wow, this came out to a total of $138. I only paid $21 for this box. I don't know if I mentioned that in the beginning, but I paid $21 for the box, and it came out to $138. Like I mentioned, keep an eye out on the description below to see if I'm going to do a giveaway on any of these items. So those were all the items from the box. Let me know what you guys think about this mystery Fomo box. If you have not been a subscriber to the Boxycharm box for that long, I think it's a really good way of, going back and getting, items from the previous boxes. But I think that if you have been if you have had the subscription for a really long time, I think a lot of the items, of course, are going to be duplicates. So let me know what you guys think about all of this down in the comments below. Those were all the products from this box. So that is all for me for today. I will be back really soon with another unboxing, and I hope I will see you guys back here next time. Bye.